Hello everyone, trotter tips. These delicately pointed trotter tips look like fan jewelry that be perfectly placed at the end of each nail bed. To twine French, the detail is a subtle, but on each side of the black strap, exciting, exciting these tips in the lightest slightest variation in color on each nail. If you look closely, will you see that there is a lighter and duster variation of each color. Flower French. What says spring better than a flower pointed on your nails? Not only are the flowers different on each tip, but the design is also considered just to the edge of each nail for a effortless spring webs. Anyone is certainly craving in a martini extra dirty. The classical. If you are loyal to the traditional French manicure, modernize your look by matching it to a white cat eyes. Black rainbows led theme sleeves will to a curved tip right the um, tentacles twist on the French but point them white point them with a black base for a modern look. Black and a white graphic. Play of your white French tips with hyper graphic details in a black. The French line. The minimalist approach to the French manicure in the French line, where you trace along your nail bed in a bag. Honestly, it is say easy. A French tips half moon combo. This monochrome look is a more design that will go with anything. Point of a color first and give to a app.